Good morning, Algebra 2 students. Did you miss my accent? I'm sure you do. Today we'll start section 9.3. I'm making a short video for you. The notes are here. I will post the document on a Google Classroom as well. So, evaluating logs using all the properties. Okay. So, in example number 1, I will give you a fact that log base 10 of 2 is equal to 0.301 and log base 10 of 3 equals 0.477. Okay, and how do you know this? You have to use a calculator. And the example I will give you is this. I want to evaluate log base 10 of 6. Okay, so think about 6. 6 is technically equal to 2 times 3 because I told you log base 10 of 2 is equal to 0.301 and log base 10 of 3 is equal to 0.477. So you can rewrite 6 as 2 times 3. Okay? So log base 10 of 6 is equal to log base 10 2 times 3. And the tricky part is that just like with exponents, multiplication becomes addition. Okay, multiplication becomes addition. Do you guys remember example like x to the 6 times x to the 7th was equal to x6 plus 7? So same thing here. I can break it and write log base 10 of 2 plus log base 10 of 3. So that's my second line. And then I will substitute. Instead of log base 10 of 2, I can write 0.301. Instead of log base 10 of 3, I can write 0.477, and if you add it, that is your answer. Okay, so let's do 3 examples together. Okay, so question number 1A, I need to evaluate log base 10 of 2/3. Okay, so division becomes subtraction. So this will be log base 10 of 2 minus log base 10 of 3. Okay, log base 10 of 2 from the above example is equal to 0.0301 minus log base 10 of 3 is equal to 0.477. Okay, if you take your calculator out, 0.301 minus 0.477, the answer is negative 176 hundredths. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay, so I will pause for a minute, and what I want you to do is think how would you set up question number 2. Okay, log base 10 of 9. Okay, so what I want you to do is think how we can what we can do with 9. What times what is 9, in other words. Please remember, all I know is log base 10 of 3 and log base 10 of 2. So do we agree that 9 is 3 times 3? So I can rewrite this way. Log base 10 of 3, okay, times, plus log base 10 of 3. Sorry, I'm squeezing the work. Okay, so this will be equal to 0.477 plus 0.477. Okay, and if you add the numbers, you should get 0.957. Okay, can this be done in a different way? Yes, you could write as 9 as 3 to the second and use the power rule. Okay, but that's another way to do it. I don't want to confuse you. Okay, and think about question number 3. Okay, how would you do question number 3? And in 30 seconds I will do it. Okay, so question number 3, I need to evaluate log base 10 of 18. Log base 10 of 18. Okay, so using the numbers 2 and 3, I have two numbers. Okay, what can I do to get 18? How can I rewrite 18 as a product, or a quotient of 2 and 3? Any ideas? Okay, so in this case, do we agree that 18 is 3 times 3 times 2? So I can rewrite log base 10 of 18 as log base 10 and 18 I can write 3 times 3 times 2. Agree with me? 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18. And if you rewrite log multiplication becomes addition. So this will be log base 10 of 3 plus log base 10 of 3 plus log base 10 of 2. Okay, now log base 10 of 3 is 0.477 plus same thing 0.477. I'll put 0 in front of it not to confuse you, and log base 10 of 2 is 0.301. Now if you take a calculator and add the numbers, let me just do this. The final answer should be 1.255. Okay, so your final answer should be 1.255. In other words, using proper language, 1 and 255 thousandths. Okay? Okay, so let's move to the second part of the lecture. Okay, second page. In this part of the lecture, we will evaluate solving for x. Okay, and the idea is this is very similar to what we did in class before the whole thing started with the coronavirus. Okay, so number one, just like with exponents, if the bases are equal, okay, the exponents are equal. So in this case, if log base a of x is equal to log base a of y, I'm talking about this case, then if a is equal to a, x is equal to y. Okay, so same thing over here. In question number 1, same base, 3, 3. So this means that 5 over x is equal to 2. So this means 5. Oh, I'm gonna change my screen. So this will be 5 over x is equal to 2. Okay? And now you can use proportion if you want, or you could just think about what number 5 over what is equal to 2. I'm a big fan of proportions, so make it over 1. Okay, if you cross multiply, you get 5 equals 2x. Okay, divide by 2, divide by 2. Try not to use decimals. You can say 5, 2.5 or 2 and 5 tenths. I just prefer x equals 5 halves. Okay, so number 1, the answer is 5 halves. Question number 2. Okay, log. It's a little bit different. Question number 2. 2 times log base 4 of 3. If you recall the power rule, I can put the 2 as exponents. So this would be log base 4 of 3 square is equal to log base 4 of x. Now, I have same bases, base 4, base 4. That means that 3 square is equal to x. And what's 3 square? 9. So the final answer is x is equal to 9. Okay, so the answer is x is equal to 9. Take a minute, actually 30 seconds. Think about question number 3. Okay, think about question number 3. So in number 3, I have log base 8 of x plus log base 8 of 2 equals log base 8 of 4. Addition. Think about addition. How can I condense it? Addition becomes multiplication. So I can rewrite it this way. Log base 8. You can say x times 2. I prefer 2x. Okay? 2x is equal to log base 8 of 4. Now, bases are equal. Okay? Then I can say 2x equals 4. So 2x is equal to 4. Divide by 2, divide by 2. X is equal to 2. Okay? 2 more examples. Okay? So question number 4. Okay? Question number 4, I think it's a little bit easier. Equal bases. Okay? And then I can say quickly that 3x is equal to 12. Okay? So what is the answer? X is equal to 4. Okay? And last example for today. Okay? Just so you know, my videos have to be less than 15 minutes, otherwise I cannot post them, so I have to squeeze my work. Last question for today. Subtraction. Okay, subtraction. Think about subtraction using exponents. When did you subtract? When you had quotient, division, right? So, I can rewrite the left side as log base 2 x divided by 2 is equal to log base 2 of 4. Okay, now I can say x over 2 is equal to 4. Think about what number divided by 2 is 4. The answer is 8. If you do not see it this way, use proportion. The answer is x is equal to 8. So please watch this video, take good notes, okay, and then I will give you a quick homework very similar to this. Okay, today is Friday. I think it's Friday. Tomorrow is Good Friday. So today is Thursday. If I'm not gonna see you next week, you can always email me, but I want you to enjoy your break and please be safe. Please email me with any questions or concerns. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.